I love cooking simple pasta recipes which need very basic ingredients, just like my tomato pasta, which needs around 5 to 6 ingredients, and it's going to take 15 to 20 minutes of your time to cook, which makes it very quick to whip up, very flavorful, loaded with lots of tomato flavor, and it's perfect for lunch or dinner. Yum. I'm going to start off by showing you a very simple marinara sauce, which is going to need very basic ingredients. And the best part about the sauce is it's perfect for pizza, for meatballs, for pasta, and also as a dip. So you're going to need some fresh tomatoes, which are the key ingredients. Also, you need a few Italian seasoning. That is dried rosemary, oregano, thyme, basil, and some chili flakes. I didn't have the full Italian seasoning, so I have all the spices, so that is perfect. Also, you're going to need a bay leaf, some grated onions, garlic, coriander. We have pasta, salt, and olive oil, which is going to add in lots of flavor to the tomato pasta. So I'm going to get straight into making my sauce. I'm going to grab a pan, place over medium-low flame, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Wait for the cooking oil to get hot, and sometimes you have to break the bank to buy some good quality olive oil because it's very flavorful and delicious. And also it's so perfect when making salad. When the oil is ready, you're going to add in your small grated onion. I'm going to grab a spatula. We are building flavor for our sauce, so cooking the onions for around a minute over low flames is going to slowly add in sweetness to the sauce and add in a very nice onion flavor as well. You don't need to brown your onions. Just slowly cook so that the onions can caramelize. Once the onions are ready, you're going to add in 4 grated garlic cloves, which are medium sized. Cook together with the onions for around a minute. If you don't use fresh garlic when cooking, you're missing out lots of flavor because fresh garlic is very flavorful. So if you love garlic, you can throw in 2 to 3 more garlic cloves into the recipe. After around 45 seconds, the garlic is going to get very flavorful since we are cooking out the raw aroma of the garlic. So at this point, you're going to add in your blended tomatoes, and this is 3 large blended tomatoes. Stir in your tomatoes, and then you're going to add in your Italian seasoning into the pot. Throw in a bay leaf, add in some salt for seasoning. Stir in the seasoning and let the sauce cook for around 5 to 10 minutes or until the sauce is well cooked and looking very delicious. So I added in some chili flakes, which are quite optional. I just wanted to add in a kick of spiciness into my pasta. While my sauce is cooking, I'm going to place a pot over medium flame and add in 3 cups of water for boiling my pasta. This is a recipe that you can double and triple so that you can make for your entire family. And for the recipe, I'm using fusilli pasta, which absorbs in the sauce perfectly. You're going to check on your sauce while it's cooking so that it doesn't burn. And as it's cooking, the tomatoes are going to release water. So it's going to get a little bit soupy. And because you're cooking for around 10 minutes, the water is going to fully evaporate and absorb in all the seasoning, and it's going to get so delicious. Once the water is ready, you're going to add in a heaped teaspoon of salt, which is going to season the pasta. Cook until the pasta is al dente, and if you don't know what is al dente, it's cooking halfway. I'm going to check on my sauce, and it's perfectly cooking. It's very aromatic. You can catch that oregano thyme flavor together with basil, and also we have a kick of spiciness. I'm going to check the seasoning. I need a little bit of salt. Keep watching over your sauce so that it doesn't burn, and as you can see, it's looking so good. This is how your sauce is going to be looking after 10 minutes, and as you can see, it's well cooked. I'm going to check the seasoning. It's a little bit acidic, so I'm going to throw in half a teaspoon of sugar, which is going to stabilize the acidity of the sauce. And at this point, I'm also going to check on my pasta, which is cooking. I need a few more minutes, so I'm going to put out the flames. And my sauce is ready. I'm going to check on my pasta once more, and finally, it's ready. So I'm going to bring my sauce back to simmer. Drain off the water from my pasta. Transfer in my pasta. As you can see, it's not overcooked. Then I'm going to coat with the delicious sauce. When draining water from your pasta, reserve a cup of the pasta water because it's very starchy from boiling your pasta. So you're going to add into the pan so that you can thin out the sauce, which is thick. I'm super excited because this is a very budget-friendly recipe, which you can't miss out trying. At this point, you can remove the bay leaf. Cook your pasta for around 3 more minutes so that the pasta can fully cook. And if you notice that your pan is drying out, just add in some more pasta water. So the pasta is going to absorb in all the flavors from the marinara sauce, which is going to make each bite so delicious. And also because we are cooking with fusilli pasta, which holds the sauce perfectly, every bite is going to be amazing. Once your pasta is ready, you're going to garnish with some, I had to check one more time. Once your pasta is ready, you're going to garnish with lots of coriander or fresh parsley. Put out the flames, toss the coriander, and serve. If I could list 3 good things about my tomato pasta, is it's budget-friendly, flavorful, and delicious. This is the kind of pasta that you want to whip up in a matter of 20 minutes, and it's perfect for meal prepping, perfect for that lazy lunch or dinner idea, and it's very delicious. I hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.